In this video, I'm going to share with you three of my favorite and I believe few of the top VS Code extensions out there which developers are using very frequently. Not only these VS Code extensions are free, but very useful too. Visual Studio Code or VS Code is one of the most widely used source code editors out there with over more than 130k stars on GitHub. Its popularity comes about due to its lightness, flexibility, open source nature, simplicity, and extensibility. Speaking of extensibility, VS Code has thousands of extensions you can install to ramp up your developer productivity and save yourself from mundane tasks. They're all available in the VS Code marketplace, and the vast majority of them are completely free. The first VS Code extension which I want to show you is called as Prettier, as you can see on your screen. Prettier is a useful tool that automatically formats your code using opinionated and customizable rules. It ensures that all your code has a consistent format and can help enforce a specific styling convention in a collaborative project involving multiple developers. The Prettier extension for VS Code brings about a seamless integration between the code editor and Prettier, allowing you to easily format code using a keyboard shortcut or immediately after saving the file. And on your screen, you can see Prettier in action. And you can see how seamlessly it is formatting and styling your code in easy to read way, and you can also customize it. Okay. Second extension which is really useful, especially if you are a JavaScript developer, is a JavaScript Booster. This extension upgrades VS Code with code actions to perform common refactoring tasks that occur when programming with JavaScript. And there are dozen of code actions that it can carry out. For example, replacing an if-else statement with a ternary operator, and then maybe splitting a declaration and initialization into multiple statements, and so on and so forth, as you can see on your screen, this extension in action. Third VS Code extension, which is also very cool, is called as ESLint. ESLint is a tool that fixes problems in your JavaScript code. It deals with both code quality and code styling issues, helping to identify programming patterns that are likely to produce tricky bugs. The ESLint extension for VS Code enables integration between ESLint and the code editor. This integration allows ESLint to notify you of problems right in the editor. For example, if you look at the example shown on your screen, on the first line just below str there is a red wavy line which is notifying about the error, and if you hover over it, over the red line I mean, then you can view the details of that error. We can also use problem tab in this extension to view all errors in every file in the current VS Code workspace. So these are few of the extensions which I wanted to show you. If you have any favorite extension, then please share that with us in the comment section. Thank you very much.